Hey everybody, we're gonna sweep up these leaves here. It's March 1st. Happy Mardi Gras to everybody. My pool's got some leaves in it, and I'm definitely not gonna try to scoop these up with my net over there against the fence over there, but I'm gonna put my leaf sucker attachment on here. Let's get started. You can see this big, huge oak tree that I have. That is the source of my leaves in my pool. The oak tree has gotten huge over the years, and now it has become a problem with the leaves. But you give and take, right? The oak tree offers a lot of shade during the summertime, much needed shade, but now I got these leaves to deal with. Water hose stuck right here. What happens is the water blasts up through here all in a ring, shoots up through this net, and actually creates a jet propulsion, a jet stream, and sucks the leaves on the bottom. You know, they don't weigh very much, and this jet stream, this flow going that way, sucks the leaves up underneath here. So all I gotta do is suck the leaves up into the bag. Just be careful that the bag doesn't get too heavy. Sometimes it wants to fall off, but I'll have those leaves sucked up in no time. Next thing is to get the pole on here. All right, you got the hose and the pole all hooked up to the leaf catcher. And again, this is gonna squirt the leaves up into there with that jet propulsion.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn. Super hot fire when I move, better feel that burn. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Good morning. Ready or not, here I come, let's work. Good morning. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Nobody stopping you today. Low-key walking with a sway. Going for the distance, drop top, hopping in the range. East Coast, baby, but I'm popping in the A, let's go. This ATL, bro, go get it. Trend set it, we're embedded with the avant-garde. The style so synthetic, while I pioneer shine like a golden bellish, oh lordy. This your last warning. I've been waiting in the foyer, foot on the gas, I'm ready to go ahead. I hate being late, here we go again. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn. Super hot fire when I move, better feel that burn. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Good morning. Ready or not, here I come, let's work. Good morning. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. In God we trust, today is a day untouched. Even though the odds stack up, act up, I like us. We can still bring the ruckus from the back of the bus. A brand new start, I left it yesterday. All behind me for the better way. Either gonna love it or not. When the flow gets going, gets harder to stop. It's the last few seconds and you're almost through. Dig a little deeper, got a rep or two. With a left and right, better hit that move. Baby girl, aren't you glad you didn't hit that snooze? Baby boy, I can see you leveled up on a sneak. Everybody moving harmony, ain't missing a beat. Breathe in, breathe out, the final push. Feel it burn, hurt so good, now I'm gone. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn. Super hot fire when I move, better feel that burn. Get up before the sun is
All right, gotta move to the other side of the steps. So the stairs are very difficult to keep clean. Algae wants to form underneath them, leaves get stuck underneath them, so they're difficult to deal with sometimes. You can see these leaves getting sucked right on up, so if I was using the regular scoop net, it would take forever. So the bag's getting really full now. I gotta be careful not to go too fast, or the weight of it will pull it off the attachment. That's happened to me quite a few times. But it's really amazing, that little jet stream just sucks those leaves right up into that bag. Trying to keep the pool in better shape than I did last season, especially trying to get the pool back to swimming shape, so to speak. It's really hard to do when it's all jacked up really bad. I've been doing my best to kind of stay on top of it a little better this winter time. So when the pool season gets here pretty soon, we'll be good to go. We won't have to wait a week for me to get it all cleaned out. A week or more. This bag is getting full. Made really good progress getting this pool cleaned out. You can see all the leaves that were scattered all throughout over here. For the most of them, there's a few spare ones, but they're all in that bag right there. So all I got to do is pull enough hose over to where I can get over there against the wall, and I can get them all in one scoop where I don't have to empty the bag more than once. Pretty slick. You need to get you one of these. I'll put a link in the description of the video to this gadget here, and all you need is a new aluminum pole, a regular pool scoop pole, telescopic pole. Yeah, I believe is what they're called, telescopic poles, and a water hose that'll reach throughout your pool, and you can suck your leaves up. Thing is full of leaves. All you gotta do is get this little clip off of here. There we go. Alright. Big pile of wet leaves. So those wet leaves will dry out, and then we'll hit them with the lawnmower before too long. And I think we've done pretty good. Let's take a look at the pool from where we were to now. Not bad at all. A couple of random little leaves here and there, but I'm going to turn on the pool filter so any new leaves that fall on top get sucked into the skimmer basket over there. So I think we're in pretty good shape. Alright, if you haven't seen my other videos on how to clean your pool, I have several videos. I'll put a good one here on the screen for you to click for your next video.